Math 7. I'm here in my kitchen about to make some dessert for my family tonight. You can see the following ingredients are out: baking soda, butter, eggs, vanilla extract, sugar, flour, brown sugar, and chocolate chips. If you haven't guessed it, yes, I'm making them chocolate chip cookies. Now, my recipe usually makes about 24 good-sized cookies, but the Maybellis family eats these rather quickly. So I'm looking to increase to about 36 cookies. I'm wondering if you could help me out determining how much of a couple of these ingredients I'll need, so that instead of making 24 cookies, I make 36. Thanks for your help. Okay, let's start off with butter. So typically, to make 24 cookies, I'll need 2 sticks of butter or 1 cup. If I'm looking to make 36 cookies, how much butter do I need? So you can see I set up a proportion to see how much butter I would need. I have 24 cookies, goes with 2 sticks of butter, and 36 cookies would need X amount of butters. And what's the best way to solve a proportion? Cross multiply, you got it. So when I cross multiply, I have 24 times X and 36 times 2. So that means 24X equals 36 times 2 is 72. And I'm going to divide by 24 on both sides. So 72 divided by 24 is 3. So I will need 3 sticks of butter in order to make 36 cookies. Let's try one more ingredient. Can you guys help me out to figure out how much more flour I would need? The normal recipe calls for 2 1/4 cups of flour, again, just to make 24 cookies. I want to make 36. How much flour do I need? So once again, I've set up a proportion. 24 cookies calls for 2 1/4 cups of flour. 36 cookies calls for X amount of flour. If you want, I changed 2 1/4 cups to 2.25. 2 1/4 is the same as 2.25 for your calculators. Okay, let's cross multiply. So I'm going to do 24 times X, 36 times 2.25. Then we get 24X equals 81. I need to solve for X. I'm going to divide both sides by 24. So 81 divided by 24 is 3.375. Now that's a little strange as far as cups go, because we have 1/4 cup, 1/3 cup, 1/2 cup, and 1 full cup. So what do you guys think I would do as far as measurements go? So 3.375, as far as measurements go, I'd say it's really close to 3.3 repeating. When you think about it, it's about 4/100ths off. So I'm probably going to want to use 3 full cups of flour and 1/3 cup. So 3 1/3 cups of flour. Thanks, Haley. Okay, all mixed up, ready to go in the oven. And the cookies are done. So next time, Math 7, we'll have to calculate enough so I can make at least 70 cookies, one for all of you.